Look guys, flexing my bikinis. Ayan guys, yung ating black color. Ayan.
Wow.
I really love it. Ayan guys, yung ating black color. Ayan. Ito guys, yung ating mga isusukat. Ayan, all black siya guys.
Oh
It's another one. Black color. Another black color guys. Yan, yung ating likuran. And guys, I really love black color. And guys, wow! Love it. Ayan, ito na naman guys, yung another black color. Another black color. I really love it. Ayan, ang ganda naman talaga nito guys. Ayan, one of my favorite color guys is color black. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan guys, last but not the least, yung ating all black. Ito na siya guys, yung ating last color na black. I really love it guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. So, napak naman talaga yun guys. Yung ating likod. Ayan, nag-shape na yung ating likod guys. Ayan, napak. Ayan guys, ito yung ating mga bikinis. All black siya guys. Ayan, I really love it. Isusunod ko naman later guys. All color red naman siya guys. Ayan o. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. Favorite blazer guys na nabili ko sa Ukay for only 50 pesos. Ayan guys. Ayan o. Ayan sa halagang 50 pesos guys. Meron na naman tayong blazer outfit pang beach guys. Ayan, ito lang yung ginagamit ko sa beach guys. Pag ako ay pumupunta ng beach. Ayan po. Ayan, tuwa naman talaga ako guys. Kasi sa halagang 50 pesos, ayan, bagong-bago pa siya guys. Bagong-bago pa yung ating blazer for only 50 pesos. Ayan guys, ang ganda niya. I really love it. Ayan o. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ito lang yung sinusuot ko pag ako'y nagbi-beach guys. Ayan, my beach outfit. Ayan yung ating likuran o. Ayan guys, pack na pack yan. Ayan. O, diba? Sa halagang 50 pesos, guys, may pang rampa na naman ako. Ayan, o. Ayan, guys. Ayan. One of my favorite outfit and beach. Ayan, guys, o. Pack na pack yan. Sa halagang 50 pesos. Ayan, may bulsa pa siya, guys. Ayan, may bulsa siya. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Mga ganito lang, guys. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa na ako. Ayan po. Ayan, I really love it. Kasi sa halagang 50 pesos, ayan, abot kaya lang siya guys. Ayan, ayan po yung aking outfit for today. Pack na pack yan, yung ating likuran. Ayan, love it.
Wow.
Sa Ukay for only 50 pesos.
Wow.
For only.
Wow.
For only 50 pesos guys. Ang ganda yan. I really love it.
Wow.